Hi. So this will be our video for the Auth verification from Google. So uh, right off the bat, you can see that this is the landing page for our app, and that is eBoard by Sibasi. So we can see that we already have the sign in with Google. And if we do that, it will redirect us right into the system and to a request page. Yeah, so what we want to achieve with the Google Calendar is setting up meetings, as eBoard is a system which deals with board members. So we want to be able to create meetings on the Google side and also update the Google Calendar as well, so that it becomes an easy integration for the user. So I will log in. Okay. Okay. So this is your landing page. You have a bit of the insights. You have your quick actions, and as you can see, you have what you call your calendar for viewing the events and the meetings. So the system has various features such as task tracking, setting up meetings, and within the meetings we have integrated also the AI feature, so you can actually summarize what happens within the meetings. Apart from that, we have the e-voting. We have the e-signatures. We've integrated the system also with Adobe, with DocuSign and etc. We have some reports. We also have the notes, and you can now have your user management. And if you're an admin, you will be able to what is called managing your users. So I'll jump straight to the meetings. Yeah, so what we have here is actually, let me just go back to the organization settings. So what we have here is the integration settings for the organization. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that when we come and set up the Google credentials here, that we can now be able to use those credentials so that we can set up the meetings to create on their side now. So if I navigate back to the meetings, so we can say and maybe I want to add some participants right there. And then I'll say that the meeting is online. So for these two, we've integrated also. And we need, as you can see, it requires you to set up some credentials so that you can be able to link the Zoom or maybe the Teams. So with Google Meet now, that is why we are requesting the Auth for the calendar scope, so that we can be able to create the meetings on the Google side. Yeah, as you can see, it's disabled right now. because yeah, their requirements are not yet met, and that's why we are trying to verify so that when we create a meeting, it will actually create a meeting on the other side as well. Yeah. So so as you can see right now, if I maybe do this, it will try to sign me in using Google. So the scope is defined right here that we want to use the Google calendar so that you can be able to create the meeting. So what you're supposed to get when you hit that, when you set up the organization settings is that you actually get the credentials so that you can be able to create the meetings. So this is what we want to do so that it will prompt the user to get the token so that now we can be able to create the meeting seamlessly. So if I try to proceed, it will actually tell me that Google hasn't verified this app because, and it's trying to request some sensitive information. Yeah, so this is what we actually require so that we can proceed with the meetings creations part seamlessly so that our users will actually have the experience that they'll want to have so that they can easily get all their calendars basically in one place. Yeah, so thank you very much. I think I hope this is sufficient for verification. Yeah, and see you next time.